Roll that intro. Hey guys, taking a ride today to show you a really awesome place that I found. Hopefully we'll be able to get to all of the destinations. Stay tuned and see if we do. But in order to get there, I got to take the highway and the interstate just because of time to make it the fastest. So since that is boring, I don't want to bore you guys with all that. So we're on the Beast, the 2019 Kawasaki Vulcan Voyager today. Helps break the wind because it is just under 40 degrees. So let's hop on the interstate and see where we're going. How about a payphone?
And that did take place at Lula Falls Gorge on July the 18th, 1970.
They let me go up on the platform. Once I got out just to the edge, to where I could just barely peek over, I had to grab the rails. I wasn't about to step out over where it drops off because, as you can see, it's a sheer 750-foot drop.
All right, so that's we're in Tallulah Falls State Park. Rode the bike up, beautiful ride, a little chilly, but that was the overlook. Unbelievable falls. We're gonna walk down and see what else we can see up here. All right, so we got a lot of steep steps to go down here, and here we go. And we're gonna keep on going. This is way down, guys. Way down. All right, so we're gonna walk out over this suspension bridge. I'm gonna take you with me. Now what goes down, heading back up. 223 steps. A lot of people huffing and puffing going up these steps. That was a pretty awesome view of those falls. Another amazing destination that motorcycles take us. So this is the overpass for the road cutting into town. So here we have the lakeside, and then the dam right here, and then where all the water's flowing down. It's pretty high up, 260 feet. Those views were well worth the ride. What do you guys think? Leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget.
I am Anonymous Biker.